Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you if you cannot really see your iOS 26 beta missing. So here's how to make it appear on your iPhone. Now the first thing you want to do right now is you want to check if your device is really compatible or really supported devices available for iOS 26 beta. To do that one, I'm using this website. This is gonna be apple.com, the official website of Apple. And this are gonna be the list of devices supported. The iPhone supported for iOS 26 beta. And the list one right there is that would be iPhone SE, second generation or later, up to iPhone 16 of course. So iPhone X below or XR XS are not really supported for this new feature. So mine right now, I'm using an iOS, an iPhone XR, so my phone will not be really supported for this one. However, if you are supported and you cannot really find the iOS 26 beta, here are the steps that you can take. So on the browser, if you're using a Chrome or Safari, you need to go to Developer iPhone. So that will be Developer Apple right there. Open it up right here. And this is, by the way, a free website that you can create an account. Tap on the two lines right there, and basically in here, click on account. Now once you successfully click an account and created one, using your Apple ID by the way, just sign in here and download the iOS 26 beta. Once finished downloading, go to settings right there, and then you can see it on the general, go to software update, and I guarantee you the beta should be under on this part. Okay? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.